What's up, guys? What's going on with Tesla? And are we gonna give it all back to the bears? That's what we're going to find out today. And this is the daily time frame on Tesla stock. And I want to check the first thing I want to do really quick is checking the indicators. So the MACD over here is crossed to the bulls and going up. The RSI, it's making this sort of low here, but it's going up. And the PMO is still crossed to the bulls. So we have three positive indicators. Now, let's zoom in over here and let's figure out what's going on. The 5 days double exponential moving average is crossed to the bulls above the 20, the green line, and above the 50, the red line. And look what happens over here. I'm going to zoom in for you. There is a cross. There is a cross. The 20 days is above the 50 days, and that's a bullish sign. Now, on the bear case, we can say that the price closed below the 5 days double exponential moving average. But this could just be a gap fill. There it is. That's a gap fill. What price level? Well, actually, it's over here, 122.65. We're close. It's what? Another 3%, 2%? We're close. And other than that, it happened what I basically predicted or I said in the last days, in the last videos, which is the price over here, the more stays away from the channel, is going to go back up to the channel. It went actually back in the channel and then it got sold off and now it made this lower low. So there is a losing momentum because we made a lower high and a lower low, but this is like a doji, almost perfect doji. So if we can go above this level over here, 129, then it's bullish. If we go below 124, then it's bearish. But again, I will look up for this gap fill. There is also this gap fill over here, is very small. But overall, here's what I believe. I believe that we are just resetting and we are going to probably retest this area over here, which we are close. We will close this gap and then we will bounce back up. That's what I believe. And the other reason why I believe that is that, first of all, we are here on the volume profile. So right around 124, between 124 and 122, there is the peak of the volume. So we are right there. So that's where the buyers will step in. And with this bullish sign over here, with this bullish cross and the volume profile, I do believe we have some volume to go up. Now, another thing that I want to check in this case is Fibonacci. So if we consider this as a low, this as a high, and this as a low, the 100% move, it's a 139. The 161% move, it's 153. And I do believe we can get to 153. When is it going to happen? Well, that's hard to tell. But with this positive cross, positive MACD, RSI going up, positive PMO, I believe this is just going to retest the 20 days moving average while it crosses some more. So I can do something like this and then boom. That's what I believe. And 150 something area is also over here where there was some bullishness over here. There was some bullishness over here. So we could retest this area around 150. And remember, there are earnings next week. So it can happen before, can happen after. But right now, I wouldn't buy into shorts positions and just not yet on bullish position. I want to see how this is going to play out. If it's going to make another low tomorrow, fill the gap, then bounce up. But we'll keep watching this. We will watch this really, really close. Other than that, 15 minutes time frame today, it was in overbought conditions. Not much on the RSI. Well, yeah, on the RSI, but it was way outside the channel. And as I said many times, outside the channel, either below or up, the price will go back in. This time, the price went straight from outside to the channel and then to the middle line, and then it made it all the way to the bottom of the channel. Now we're starting to rise up perfectly with the volume profile. So we'll see what happens tomorrow.